You go ahead with that. Take egg, avocado. This is nice. Tomato. Sibuyas. Achoo. Hi everybody, this is Charo and welcome to Charo de la Cocina. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Today, I'm going to make spaghetti threaded hot dogs. So here are my ingredients. I have hot dog here. You can use any kind of hot dog. And then, of course, you will need spaghetti. So I'll be using this kind of spaghetti, or you can choose any kinds of spaghetti. Okay, to do this is you have to cut the hot dog, depending the size you want. But mine is, I'm gonna divide this into 4. And then the edge is, I'm not going to use that, so I will cut a little bit on the edge. Now, how you're going to make a thread hot dog? Grab the spaghetti and then you're going to thread over here, but you have to be careful. Yeah, that way. I will boil this in a boiling water. I am dropping them gently to prevent break the spaghetti noodles. Cook them about 7 to 8 minutes. After cooking, rinse them off. To become legit my spaghetti threaded hot dogs, I'm going to add tomato sauce with mushroom. Voila! And Parmesan cheese and parsley. Bon appetit! It's good.